Hey, what's going on? Matt here. And reason I'm shooting this video is just to show you a simple Forex scalping strategy you can do on the 5-minute charts. So real simple to use. So who should be using this? One, if you're brand new to trading Forex and you're just looking for a simple scalping strategy on the 5-minute chart where you could trade, maybe an hour or two a day, sometimes even less than that, and pull in consistent results. Or if you've been trading for a while just and have not been able to, obviously grow your account where you wanted and pull down the profits you know that you can hit, this is a great strategy. It really simplifies everything. When I was struggling for a while, really finding the spots where to enter, where to exit. A lot of emotion kind of wrecked my trading and blew up a couple of accounts. But when I started this, using this indicator and using this 5-minute scalping strategy, I started seeing my equity curve obviously go in the right direction and pull down some easy profits with not a lot of time frame, not a lot of time, spent staring at the charts all day long. So I just want to share this with you. If you like what you see, I'll put everything in the description of this video. So uh, I'll put in our private Facebook group. So definitely join that with or without you checking out the strategy. You can follow along. We always share, what's working for us. So I'll put that in there, and then I'll also put a link to go check out this indicator. And again, it's a very simple scalping strategy you can do either on the 5-minute chart. This also works on the 1-minute chart. It works for any pair or anything you could trade on MT4. So if your broker supports cryptos, um, indices, metals, you can trade anything with this thing as long as it's on MT4. That's all. That's the only requirement. But yeah, let's just check this out. So GJ 5-minute. These background colors are session time. So blue is New York, red is London, and green is Asian. So this does work beginning of the sessions the best. Looking to catch those big moves. So you could see this morning, London session, you get a buy signal. You can literally take it for 98 pips. Boom, done. My strategy, all I'm looking for is about 30 pips per session. So I would have got out right about here and, just been done for that session. Waited for the New York. It got a little choppy right here today, but you can see you got a sell here. So you could sell and write it down about 40 pips. Kind of made up for the chop right here that you would have lost a little bit. So you would have lost, that would have been 14, probably minus about 20. So you're down 34, got 40. So really not a huge day in the one or the New York today because of this chop. But the reason I show you that is I want to be transparent with you guys. This obviously does have losing trades anytime it ranges and chops like this, but the winners far outseed these losing trades, which is awesome. So over the long term, this is a profitable trading system. Let me just scroll back here. This is Friday last week. I mean, you could have caught 67 pips here. Again, you would have had a little bit of loss here, 22 pips. But then check this out. This trade right here, you could have rode all the way down 185 pips. So it definitely blew this little loss out of the water. I mean, you could have got out any of these places and made a ton of pips. Obviously, depending on what lot size you're trading, it depends on the amount of money you're making. But again, you could see how very, very, very simple this Forex scalping strategy is to spot good entry points, good exit points. And again, it works on any pair. Again, it catches these big moves. Look at this. So this right here, you could also wait for these pullbacks too, but let's just say we took it right here. Boom, 64 pips, done. Scroll back a little bit, just show you a couple more. So again, see, it catches it before the big move. So it catches it before this giant drop right here, right? Boom, 50 pips, done. Could have caught a little bit more, but whatever. I would have been out. I told you, I'm only looking for 30 pips, I'm out. There's another 30. So you can see how simple this is. Go check it out. Hit me up in Facebook. And yeah, join my group. I'll approve you. And you could, if you have any questions, just hit me up over there. Otherwise, go get this indicator, trade with it. Let me know how it works for you, and yeah, happy trading. Bye.